Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. A lot of you have been asking, how much do I make on each item on Poshmark? Well, here's basically a 2-day haul of what I've sold. I'm going to give you all the numbers. All right, so this is a typical 2-day sale on Poshmark. I try to ship every day, if not every other day. So this is 2 days worth of sales. And so I'm just going to read off what it is and let you know how much I sold everything for. This I got out of a bulk box. This I paid about $3 for. After it's sold, my earnings were 55 cents. So this one I lost money on, but it's been here forever and I definitely wanted to get it moving. So that's that one. I'm just going to keep going through my list here. I've got, this is a slim waist tankini. This came from the Goodwill outlet. I paid 50 cents for this one. My earnings after fees, it's not what it sold for, but after fees, I made $7.05. So $6.50 were my earnings on this particular item. This is a pair of cute kids shoes that I got out of a bulk box. I believe $3 is what it averaged out to be that I earned on that one. After all my fees, I made $2.55. So these have been here for a while, so I actually lost about 50 cents on this, but it gets one thing off my Posh store. So sometimes when it's been sitting there for a while, you just want to get it moving. So leggings, I got these leggings. These came out of a bulk box. This had a ton of stuff in there, so about $2 is what I paid for these, and I made $2.55 after fees, so 55 cents is what I earned on these. Then I've got this I got, I believe, from Goodwill. The larger size bras. This is a 44 double D. It is a Soma. I got it for about, was it about 50 cents. And then my earnings were $13.60. So I made $13.10 on this one bra. So see, there is money to be made. This sweater right here was a Goodwill outlet buy. 50 cents is what I paid for this one. And I got earnings in my Poshmark account, $2.55. So I made $2.05 on that one. And then, and this takes out all the shipping. This is not considering shipping. All the shipping's been taken out and already paid for. And so this is actual money that I get. I have a red shirt here, a Daisy Fuentes. This was, I believe, 50 cents. A 50-cent odd item. It did still have the tags on it, which was really nice and in great condition. $2.05 is what I earned. So $1.50 is my total earnings after the cost. Then I have this cute hat. All my hats I paid about $2 for. This one I made $4.55, so $2.55 is my earnings there. And then I've got these really tall wide calf buckle boots. These are gray. They're really, really cute. And so these were size 8. I paid about, I believe these were $4 is what I paid. I made $18.40. So on these boots, I was able to make $12.40. I've got this really cool army jacket that I bought for 50 cents down at the Goodwill. I earned $1.55 because I believe I gave them a shipping discount. $1.55 was my earnings, and so take the 50 cents off. I made $1 on that one. And this one's been here for a long time, so a lot of times I'm okay just getting it off my Posh store because it's less sharing I have to do. This one here is a tankini. It's a Aletha size small padded tankini. I paid 50 cents for this one, and I sold it for $9.55. So made $9 on this one. So as you can see, there is room in it. And then let me see. I've got this one is kind of a tankini top. It's a crop top tank bikini top. This one I got in a bulk box, but I think it came with a lot of stuff. I remember this specifically, the swimsuit box. It had a ton of stuff. So I think I spent about $1.50 on this one, earned $2.55. So I made about $1 on that one. Of course, I got my $2 hat. My cool looking like Goodfellow raffia straw fedora. I spent $2 on it, made $3.55, so $1.55 was my total profit on that one. And then I've got some Jeffrey Tyler shoes. These are really cool looking. So they're Checka Boots shoes. I actually spent about $4 on these. after fees, I made $16, and so $12 of profit on these ones. Like I said, this is a 2-day haul for me, so I sell quite a bit on Poshmark. Let me see. I've got some really cute, this was awesome. Okay, you have to zoom in real tight on these. These are really cute little turquoise turtle earrings. I spent less than $1 a piece on these. I think they were like 75 cents. I made $2.55. I think, no, 50 cents a piece is what I paid. $2.55. And so I made $2 a piece on these, and I got a bunch more. So one listing, which made it really nice because less work. And then this one is a bundle. Anytime you buy on Poshmark and you get a bundle, a lot of times you'll get a shipping discount. And so this was like a gray and purple kind of cute little top, flowy top. It's a Miley Cyrus top, and then a woman's bucket hat. And so between the two of them, basically this was 50 cents and this was $2. So $2.50 is kind of total what was put into these. And then I made $14.50. So $12 total on this bundle is what I earned. Then I have 2 purses. This was an authentic Indian made purse, clutch purse. And then I have a crossbody wallet strap purse. I don't want to take it out of its packaging because it's packaged like super awesome. And so that, those ones sold for, let me see, each purse was about, I'm trying to remember, about $4 total. It sold for $12.80. And so 12 minus 4 is $8.80 on these purses is what I made. Go back. All right. And then I have these swim shorts. These, I think I got 50 cents down at the Goodwill outlet. Sold them for 55 cents. Whoop, whoop, 5 cents. But they were really old. They've been here forever. I've got a ton of swimwear, and I want to just get it gone. So that was okay with me. Every time you get something gone, it's less sharing on Poshmark, and that's less time that I have to spend on things that aren't really worth a lot anymore. So that sometimes happens. So here is a tankini. It's a junior size Arizona tankini. This was 50 cents down at the Goodwill outlet. Sold it for $2.05. So I made $1.50 on that one. Let me see what we got. We got a dress, a really pretty dress. This is a strapless floral print tube dress. And I spent 50 cents on this one down at the Goodwill outlet, and $2.55 is what my earnings were, which makes it $2 a profit. I've got these cute boots. They're wide calf boots here that I sold. Those came out of a bulk box, so those were about $4 is what I spent on that. My earnings were $20 on these, so I actually made 16 bucks on this pair of boots. And then I've got another bundle where I have this green t-shirt and then these plaid shorts, women's shorts. They were both Goodwill outlets, so I spent a total of 50 cents a piece, $1 total. I sold it for $5.55, which makes it $4.55 for a profit. Then the next thing I sold was another large size bra. And it's actually a Cash, which is a Cachique, I think, which I think is a Lane Bryant brand. It's a 46C, and this one came out of, no, this one was a Goodwill outlet. So it's 50 cents. I sold it for $8.55, so $8 a profit on that one. And then I have a professional Arrow men's dress shirt, really nice condition, 18.5, navy blue. This one was a Goodwill outlet as well. 50 cents is what I paid. $7.05 was my earnings, and so $6.50 was my profit on that one. Then I've got some basically Rockstar Old Navy jeans. They were a mid-rise 14 regular. Those came from Goodwill, 50 cents. $2.55 was my earnings. $2 was my total profit on that one. And then I've got this cute dress. It's a 22W. This was a Goodwill outlet as well. 50 cents is what I paid for this dress. $7.05 is what I earned. And so $6.50 was about what I got for that. And then I've got, let me see, there's this thing here. These I bought wholesale, I think for 19 cents a piece. Oops. Little change purse. So they were 19 cents a piece, and I sold it for $1.05. So I made about 80 some odd cents with that one. And then I've got these cute boots that I sold. They're lace-up back boots, brand new. Those I paid $3 for, and then they sold, my earnings were $12.90, so I made just under 10 bucks on those. And then of course this hat, like I said, all my hats are about $2. I sold this one and earned $5.55, so that was $3.55 on that hat. So I will add up everything at the end and give you a grand total and let you know what that is. But as you can see, there's a variety of different things that you can sell. Some of the things I sold for a lower price, mainly because they were old and I wanted to get them off my store so that I can get some more high dollar things in there, because I definitely have much more high dollar items coming. But sometimes when you're cleaning house, you want to sell some of those lower cost items. But that gives you an idea of how much I made in 2 days worth of sales on Poshmark. Now, hopefully this has been helpful and it gives you an idea of how much you can make on Poshmark and you can keep selling. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. So this was a 2-day total of what I sold on Poshmark. I sold a total of 32 items for a grand total of $147.05. If you love the content that I give, you can support me on Patreon. Just follow the link in the description below and I will offer you lots of exclusive things. You can be in the Hooked on Pickin Coffee Club, have your Naven Lights, be in the Hooked on Pickin Reseller Club, or the Reseller Pro Club. You get different perks for each club. So if you'd like to support me in my channel, please head on over to my Patreon account and start supporting. Thanks! This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.